Alright students, so you also have to do the fill in the blanks of this chapter. As you know that the line which is highlighted with yellow highlighter is your statement, and the word highlighted with the orange highlighter is your blank. So this is your first fill in the blanks. A tiger cannot live in dash, whereas camel can. Move on to the next page. Amphibians live both on dash and dash. This is your second one. Number three is dash animals spend most of their time in air. Number fourth is the bodies of terrestrial animals are suited for life on dash land. Come on to the next page. Now this is your fifth blank. Birds and bats spend most of their time in the dash. And your last blank is omnivores animals eat both plants and animals. Plants and animals is your blank. This is your number 6. So you have to do these fill in the blanks in your neat copies, right?